Tyler traffic, experimental 6 Golf Victor, taxi to the active 17, Tyler.
Boy, that wind's working on the stabilizer. With that wind, the rudder will probably be effective as soon as I turn it into the wind.
I think so. No differential braking needed.
Yeah.
What's the empty weight? Like 600 pounds or something?
750.
750. 600 was the range, right? That was 600, I think.
No, it was 675. It's actually heavier. No, it was about 100 pounds, so less than the airplane. Yeah, a bit of a crosswind. That ought to be interesting, Andy. All right, let's go ahead and close her up.
All right, closed and latched.
Okay, up to 4,000. Then we'll turn our strobes on.
Tyler traffic, experimental 86 Golf Victor is taking off on runway 17, and we'll be going right downwind for 17 after takeoff, Tyler.
See nobody in the pattern?
No. See anybody on the green? Nope.
Got a little bit of a right crosswind. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's bumpy.
Well, not too bad. No bumpier than in the 172. Climbing almost 1,000 feet a minute there.
Tyler traffic, 6 Golf Victor, so right crosswind for 17, just be a low pass, Tyler. Tyler traffic, 6 Golf Victor, right downwind, 17, low pass, Tyler. Tyler traffic, 6 Golf Victor is right base, 17, Tyler.
Check canopy latch. Check canopy latch.
Oh, that wind's blowing the heck out of me.
Yeah, you have to make it tight because it's coming from the...
Yep.
Tyler traffic, 6 Golf Victor, final approach, 17, Tyler. Traffic, experimental 6 Golf Victor is now 3 mile final for 17, Taylor.
100 miles an hour and 100 knots.
Yep. Gotta slow her down.
Now you got good headwind, so it's just slow down pretty fast.
Yeah.
Saddle traffic, 6 Golf Victor, short final, 17, Saddle.
That was impressive.
You think?
Yeah.
I thought it was terrible.
No, there was no bounce or anything. I mean, you were off the center line, but
Yeah, it was hard to hold it even close.
yeah, but no, it came down nice and smooth.
Well, we know that it can be done with this thing.
Yep.
You want to try it by yourself?
Sure.